Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study math step by step. First, thoroughly understand your syllabus and the exam pattern. Next, gather all your study materials, including textbooks and notes. Then, create a realistic and consistent study schedule, allocating specific times for each topic. This structured approach will set a strong foundation for your preparation. Don't just memorize, truly understand each concept. Actively engage with the material by solving a wide variety of problems every single day. When you make mistakes, review them carefully to understand where you went wrong. This active learning process, rather than passive reading, will solidify your knowledge and improve your problem-solving skills significantly. Consistent revision is key to retaining information. Schedule regular review sessions for all topics, even those you feel confident about. Practice with timed mock exams to simulate the actual test environment and improve your speed and accuracy. Make sure to allocate extra time to those challenging chapters that require more focused attention and practice. On the day before your exam, ensure you get adequate rest. A fresh mind performs best. During the exam, read all instructions and questions very carefully before attempting them. Manage your time wisely, allocating appropriate minutes for each question. If you encounter a difficult problem, move on and return to it later if time permits. Stay calm and focused.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.